Maximize your machine with Paladin's new high-flow Forestry disc mulcher. Your solution for aggressive cutting, mulching, and stump grinding in a quick one-step process. The Paladin disc mulcher maximizes job site uptime and productivity with special features like the wide mouth intake and mulch power gauge that helps avoid jamming and ensures you're always at peak mulching power. You'll keep cutting teeth sharper, longer, with a unique design that keeps teeth out of the dirt, so you'll spend less time in the shop and more time in the field. With Paladin's best-in-industry radial piston motor, you'll start up faster and be safeguarded from damage, so you can push your machine harder and still get the performance and durability you expect. To learn more about putting a Paladin Forestry disc mulcher on your machine, visit PaladinAttachments.com. Paladin, work with the best.